Back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out. We going over how to get 1 million streams on Spotify using API access tokens, man. Now go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Share this video on all social media platforms. I'm delivering original content. You won't find this content on any other how to get 1 million streams on Spotify video. Now, what inspired me to make this video right here was a J. Cole song. Now, J. Cole and 21 Savage made a song called Alot. Now, this song just won a Grammy, and J. Cole had a couple bars in here that stood out to me. I'm gonna read them for you. It says, "How many faking they streams, getting they plays from machines? I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem. I never say anything. Everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes." Now, what is he talking about? Like, he talking about these machines that are making fake plays for people, and it's making people millions of dollars. Now, I had to find out the J. Cole streaming machine. I went and found the J. Cole streaming bot. Yes, I did, and I tested it. And just to let you know up front, it works, and it's paying as of this month, February 2020. It's still paying. Now, let me go into my account. This is an account where I had uploaded a song onto Spotify, and over the past year, you can see it started in April of 2019, but over the past year, I've been getting royalties. I've been getting royalties paid out from Spotify using this method. I'm about to explain everything for y'all, so make sure y'all be patient and stick around to the end of this video so you can get the full value. But you can see, like, first month sent $35, you know, 1,200, 500, 74,000, you know, 490, 528, $600. So you see it works. Now, we're talking about Spotify right here. Now, Spotify is the biggest streaming platform out right now, the #1 website in arts and entertainment. The thing about Spotify that's different from all of the other streaming services is that it has a free tier, and this allows access tokens also. And what access tokens are is when you go on a website and you may see, like, oh, log in with your Facebook account, log in with your Twitter account, log in with your Gmail account. Now, you can do the same thing with Spotify. And the thing about internet data, you know, which we have to be 100% real about, is that everybody is selling it. Everybody is selling your online data. Even your phone right now, you didn't click on an app that said allow your location services. It's selling your data to advertisers, so it can advertise you the products and the businesses around you. It know your location. So online data is being used against us, like, without you even knowing it. It's being used against us, and you know, you gotta make money from this. Like, you gotta just know a way. Like, you do whatever you want to do with this information. I'm just putting it out there because it's out there. It's legal. Like, let me show you this article real quick before we go any further. A Bulgarian scheme scams Spotify out of 1 million without breaking a single law. Now, this guy had 1,200 accounts set up, right? Premium accounts. Now, he did 500 songs though, and he was making $415,000 per month. Now, the reason he got removed, now, mind you, he got paid out his million, but the reason his songs got removed was because he was battling with Spotify global playlists. Like, his playlist kept coming up, you know, in the mix. So he was hot. You know what I'm saying? He didn't do it right. Now, I showed y'all where I've been doing this for the past year, and I made 4,600. Now, this is how you do it the right way. You don't get greedy. But like I said, Spotify, just like Facebook, just like Twitter, that's why you see, what we got to understand is, like, it's high quality and it's low quality. You know, it's bots, then it's humans, right? And with J. Cole talking about getting a place from machines, you know, not only have I found the J. Cole, the streaming bot, but I found the human, you know what I'm saying, where the humans are at. So let's just go over this just so you can get more context. China right now in China, you know, our motherfucking big brother. America needs China. I don't care what nobody says. We'd never go to war with China. We need China. We love China. If you look in your house right now, you can find 10 things from China. But what you got to understand is they also have a $50 billion online advertising market. You know what I'm saying? Due to what? Click farms, human click farms. Those little iPhone 4s and 5s you don't care about, that you forgot about. That iPhone 6 that you donated at that recycle shop that you don't care about, they got it hooked up somewhere and they running the whole business, right? So how do they promote these online? Is through what's called social media marketing panels, right? When you see online all of these different agencies, people on Fiverr and different things, I can promote your I can get you 1,000 likes on Instagram, I can get you 1,000 followers on this, I can you know, all of these different services, they use social media marketing panels. Now there are low quality social media marketing panels and there are very high quality social media marketing panels. Now I went through and I've done the research and I found the highest quality, the most visited, you know, the most reputable social media marketing panel, and that is justanotherpanel.com. Now you can go here, sign up and start ordering. But I say the services they got on this website is so deep, I could just stroll through them for hours, man. I'm exaggerating, but it's a lot though. I'm talking about compared when you do the research and you go to all of these different panels and you see what they offer compared to this one. Like this is the king. You know, this is the king of all of the panels right now. And I don't use this panel for anything else but Spotify. I only use it for Spotify. And I'm about to show you the method on how to use this for Spotify. Now, it gets deep with Spotify. You can get into targeting, and you got to know about the plays and the saves. You know, premium plays and premium saves. That's the main thing you got to remember. Premium plays, premium saves. That's all you got to remember when it comes to this method. Go on justanotherpanel.com, right? And when you want to do this, you have to have music on Spotify. So you have to know how to upload music on Spotify. I recommend using services like DistroKid, but it's plenty of digital distributors that you can try out. You know, you could try out. I tried out plenty of different digital distributors, but I wanted to do this like on a song that was aside from my main catalog, but it worked. You know, I'm not about to reveal what song it was, but I will show you. You know, I earn this in my payouts, and this is a website called Level Music, and you can go on here and you can, you know, upload music on there too. But yeah, this method is 100% working for Spotify. I would not recommend using, you know, these panels for other things, but just be smart about it, because, you know, you can also use this for like Tidal, Shazam. You can use it for business reviews. You can use it you know, for live stream views may be good. You know, just use it for beneficial ways. I wouldn't use it like in artificial boosting ways that you can't make money from. You see what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to use this like to get 1,000 followers on Instagram. Like, don't do it like that. Or like, you don't want to use it to get like YouTube views and stuff like that. Like, you don't want to use it for that. You want to use this specifically for Spotify. So just do it right. I'm making this video for people out there that interested in making money online. You know, go ahead while this method works. Let me show you my favorite. So like I said, my favorite, when you sign up for Just Another Panel, you can fund your account with PayPal, Web Money, Payoneer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin. They have a lot of different options to fund your account, but once you fund your account, I think the minimum is only like $20 or something like that. But you will need some money. Like, oh, let me talk about that. You will need like $100, because you gotta be consistent. You know, this is for people who like really plan this out, like, and to do 500 a month, around 500 a month, you need 100,000 plays. So about, 3,300 a day, or you can do like 3,500 plays per day, 100,000 a month, and you gotta have like $100 up front, because from the day you start, it takes 45 days for the royalties to be paid out. So you have to be consistent month over, like 100,000 for this month, 100,000 for this month. You don't want to just get 100,000 in one day and just shoot it up. But these platforms, they don't work like that. Like they have, like this one right here that I use, Premium Plays, 48 cents for 1,000. So for 100,000 plays is $47, like $48 basically, $47.99. For 100,000 plays, and you want to put $47.99 for the first 3 months. You will get your royalties, like that second month, like the end of going into that third month. But then just keep being consistent. Once you get your royalties, you can reinvest the royalties at that point, and then it's like, all profit. So yeah, but you can scale it to how you want. Like some months you can see I went to 1,200, some months it's 1,000. But just don't be like cuz making 415,000 a month and competing with Spotify. Don't try to compete with Spotify. Just get enough where you can eat. Like I said, this is a big problem for Spotify, but they make so much money. They don't even look at it. Like they don't even care for real. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications on my channel. I'm out.